Are we live? How do we check? How do we check? Am I live? Am I live? Am I good? So this stupid freaking scaling thing. I noticed I was rewatching one of the videos, and my mouse is not Wait, what? Why is it not Wait a minute. Huh? Why is it not capturing my mouse now? Capture cursor. Oh, now it's all like bugged. That's weird. Anyway, I noticed in one of the videos my cursor. So what is that? Is not right. Hold up. Properties. Let's change the size of this. Let's see if we can fix this. As I was saying, I noticed that my mouse was not lined up because actually, I'm going to show you here. Transform, fit to screen. You see, it's all scaled wrong. Like I have to use this really wacky scaling because it's not capturing Roblox Studio right. What I could do is I could put on its own monitor. I don't really want to do that. I don't really feel like doing that. That's sad. Hi. How do I see my own channel on YouTube mobile? Your channel. Here it is. It's got the beautiful jet image. No. I'm trying to figure out why this is not right. Is it because this is not full screen? Nope, that literally changes nothing. To the Google we go. OBS. Roblox Studio. Yeah, it's not scaling right. We're gonna watch. I know. I literally, if you rewind, or if you had actually showed up to the beginning of the stream, then you would see that I purposely scaled it down, because I'm trying to fix it. Okay, hold up. No video. That was an accidental. Oh, it's for making edit. No. I just want to capture Roblox. Okay. Roblox Studio. See, here. If I put in... I can't hear you. Suck my... Never mind. Let me listen to my own stream for a second. Never mind. Hello? Let me listen to my own stream for a second. Why is it so quiet? Never mind. Hello? Let me listen to my own stream for a second. Why is it so quiet? Never mind. That's whack. That's whack. Give me a second. Give me a second. I have a bowl here. I'll just use this. No, that's way too thick. Oh. Hello? So whack. So weird. I have one viewer. It's so unfortunate. No, you aren't. I am. Oh, what? Why does my chat... It says I have only one viewer. Alright. Time to copy my stream link. Because I want to post it in general chat so people can watch me poorly code. Alright, copy that link. Can you hear me? 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 Alright, let me scale this. Oh, I know what I was going to show you. Right. If I add an image, right? Image file. Let me see here. Videos, blah, 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 blah. Nope. Pictures. If I do like this, right? Okay. I see. I do my window capture above. Do you see this black? It's actually covering the image. That black around my Roblox studio is not supposed to be there. It's like it's scaled wrong. Here, let me show you. This is better. So, I've scaled my Roblox studio right down. It's a tiny window. Yet it's got nothing around it. Yet it's got these little black... It's like it's not being captured right. And see, my mouse is in like this purgatory. I don't know why it's like that. I don't know why it do be like that. So maybe just my capture is wrong. Let me see. In the meantime, you get this beautiful image. There we go. I fixed it. Okay. It was the old capture method. That's what it was using. That's why it was wrong. And now I have like a yellow border around it for me too, saying that it's been captured. Cool. 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 Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Do we prefer... Yeah, we're gonna put an image in the background. Let me get a better image though. Cancel. Actually, that is a really good image, actually. Window capture. Let's scale this bad boy down. Is that good? I used to have like a chat thing and everything, but I think it only worked for Twitch. What if it's just the garage is the stream? Okay. How do I fit this screen? I'm gonna actually stretch this to the screen. Stretch to screen. There you go. Beautiful. Awesome. Cool. Cool, right, guys? Okay. If I recall, the last issue I had, hi Sharky, the last issue I had when I was testing this with my friends was that it does the reverse order, exactly the reverse order of what we picked. So if you people remember how the sounds work on this game, if we go 1, 2, 3, it always goes to the loud sounds and then it does reverse order. So we'll go here, and then we'll go here, and then we'll go here. I can predict it, which is not good. And also, what we did is we added this waypoint path thingy. So the light blocks is where it went to, and the dark is where it came from. So you can clearly see I went from here to here to here. Alright, there you go. Why are donations off? I don't have donation eligibility. I'm not actually a big streamer, I don't think. Like, I think I have to be like 1,000 subs or something. I don't know. Anyway, see, look, and then it just stopped too. There's a bug where it's just like deleting stuff. So yep, so when here, see now it's doing the proper order, which is wacky. See, the table had 2 things in it, and so now it has, yeah, it has 3 things. What? It still has 3 things. Why is it not clearing the table? Hmm? Oh, this is the, I'm a doofus. This is the table. Yeah, okay. So that was the table. Scabs are fun to pick. No, don't do it. Scabs your legs right up, or your arms, or whatever. Don't do it. The scars will be embarrassing. How doesn't your head hurt? Because I know how to read this. So, I made this function, draw points. Also, oh, that reminds me. I gotta do this. I was a little bit goofy, and I didn't do local. By the way, if you're ever writing scripts here, the local means that it's only gonna be expected to be in, like, its jurisdiction, I like to call it. So check sounds can only be called after you've said it. Otherwise, the script assumes that it's global and it takes way longer to load and whatnot. Like, for example, I could get rid of that local and it would still work, but it would treat it way differently. So we don't need to. If we're declaring them all at the top, there's no reason why we can't use local. Local just indexes it better, makes it easier to load and whatever. And we can still use it because it's below everything. Every time we call it, it's below. One question: when you hit 1K subs, will you do a massive giveaway? No. Coding is like English, except it's a little different. It's like the sound equals make noises equals make hear equals ear damage. Boom. Yeah. No. Coding is, it is English. It's computer language into English. Yes. Like next. Okay. The weird part of this is we have to imagine sounds to investigate as a list. But once you understand arrays, because that's what they're called, when you say next in this list, the next thing of this list, it makes sense. And nil just means doesn't exist. So if the next thing in the list exists, then like it makes sense when you understand. No, you will not be leaving. I've kidnapped you. And Sharky, yeah, no, it actually had to be 3 million. Oh, this one deal with Dill. Oh. Dill asked me a few days ago on stream to check her DMs, and I did, but then I also was busy. Uh, um, STI order. Oh, yes. That's funny. Okay. Send sound. What was I working on? Oh, yeah, we don't need this printed out anymore. Warn. We could still do that. Okay. I'm gonna do print. Sound selection. Currently, we are on sound dot dot toString. Well, what we can do, okay. Here's a really bad technique, okay? So what we do, because what print does is you can put a comma. All right, okay, actually, quick tutorial. Okay, do you see here how I go instance.new folder, comma, game.workspace? These are called parameters. So this is the first one. This is the second. The first one always needs to be a string, and then comma. Then it says after the comma, it can be dot 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 or a dot 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 any. What that means is it's a variadic parameter, variable, varying parameter. That's like what it means. So print, will it prompt it? Can have a string, an arrow type, or a variadic parameter. So you can just do comma, 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 comma. And then after each comma, it will just automatically make it a big string. I don't care. It's not for you guys. It's for the record. It's for the stream. In a few years, there's gonna be some lonely programmer who's like, I need to desperately watch 6 hours of live stream footage to get this one bug fix. And I have to completely describe it, why it's doing that, okay? So, because this print command will automatically take an infinite amount of parameters and turn them into a string for me, I can simply just do comma, and then I can do my index here, which is vector index. However, this is bad practice, okay? Ideally, you would do a concatenate, which means to put together. It's like Latin or something, which is the dot dot, and then you would do the function toString, and then we would put that, and you would actually be passing a big string of text. But I'm lazy, okay? I don't want to do that. We're evil. So we're not going to do that. Currently, we're sound vector index. And our best vector is... And then we're just doing another comma, and then put best vector. And then we would put print, warn, we have selected new best vector. Okay. It is space, comma, vector index. Therefore, okay, so now it will print here what it's doing, what it's computing. I wish people would watch this stream in the chat, and like in the Discord, I mean. Okay, so we're in the game. Let's wait for one more thing to pop up because that means it's searched already. Okay, so it's searched. 5. Okay, so if we open this, we now have 5 things in there. Whoa, okay, printed a lot. So it's selected a new best vector every time. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to turn this into a print, right? Because it's hurting our eyeballs. I'm going to do a special key code at the end here, which is \n, and hopefully it prints. And this means to do white space, a line break. Hi, BX. Oh, yeah, you're moderated. Not moderated. You're moderator. Doing code stuff. Okay, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to warn for all of this. We're going to go warn, no best vector, setting 1. Okay. Copy paste this. Better magnitude. And then we're going to do close proximity. And now, by doing this, we're going to see clearly what it's doing, because we're having an issue where it's picking everything in the reverse order. or just not correctly. Did you just say balls hurt? No. But I would say balls-inator, so. Anyway, what this is happening here. We gotta find out why it's not working right. Because it should be deciding where to go based on like how close it is and how loud it is. But it's just like going randomly, which is not what we want, because this is a horror game. We're gonna say very loud. The reason why I'm doing these arrows is just so it's easier for me to read in the chat. Cause like, look at this garbage. Why is it like 3.000009537 blah 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 blah? Shut up. You know, like I don't need that. Okay. Bro, did I really do grammar? Currently, comma. No, no. We're just gonna do current. Boom. Get rid of that. Hello, gentle ladies and men. Do a face reveal. No. I'll face reveal your mom. Oh! Sorry, I didn't mean that. Please don't sue me. Should I make a horror game? You should, but can you? That's the real question. Not doubting your skill, it's just, do you know how to make one? Also, my stream is so delayed. Like, I just went and did all the things, yet for me, just right now, I just loaded into the game on my stream. Okay, see, so why did it... Very loud, better magnitude. That's why I picked it. Where's my cursor? Why can I not see my cursor? There we go. So for every one, it's picking very loud. And then it's always overriding it with better magnitude. Better magnitude. Old mag. And then we're going to say the new mag. And mag means magnitude, by the way. And magnitude is like a distance. I can't show that. Oh. I easily learn stuff. It'll just take me ages to code certain bits, such as the jump scares. Those are confusing. You could use pre-rendered images or a camera. Do you know Lua? Would it even be in Lua? That's the question. Alright, so what I'm gonna do. Because we're calling this magnitude crap every time. What we're gonna do is we're gonna say local vector mag equals. Boom. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's always going to override the best vector because it's literally the magnitude to what? That's okay. Dingus moment. Okay. Local best vector BV mag. A good way to do something, right, is you do okay. Whoa, what did I just do? Okay, just accidentally hit page up or something. Right. So what you do is, because if we call monster torso dot position minus best vector and it doesn't exist, it's gonna yell at us. So then we say or nil. Or we're gonna say like a really high number actually. Actually, how bad is math.huge? Math.huge. Not that huge performance. Roblox. Done that already. Maybe close the stream and rejoin. Is this stream lagging? It might be. My bit rate's very low because I used to stream on a terrible thing. I can restart the stream if you'd like. It says I'm getting 60 FPS. Oh, what's up, crazy panda? Do I want to see a trick? No, I'm coding. Elbozo. I know everyone. You've got a cool website, I must say that. Your Twitch. I like your logo, man. Looking very spicy. Okay, let me look back on the stream now. Yeah, I know, you're super Kevin. You have the same look as Aaron. Coaster Lover, what's up? Hi, Coaster Lover. How are you doing? Oh, yeah, what's up? Okay. Now I'm just looking at a bunch of, like, information. People are pinging me. Okay. So, why is math dot huge? Is math dot huge, like, I'm just trying to see if it's, like, a terrible... The RP is good. Did the trick work for y'all? I'm not looking it up. I'm streaming right now. I can't look it up. I'm sorry. Okay, bye-bye. Alright. I don't think not that huge. Really. Like, I think it would be a very big computation. Play Project Assetto. I will someday, but I just have... It sounds like... What is that one game? Hattie forced me to buy it on Steam. Oh, hi, Jet. Bye, Jet. I hope she's gone. Where is it? It starts with an A, I thought. What? Where is it? I bought it. It was... Am I goofy? Did I already put it under? I did. Assetto Corsa. Yeah, I have Assetto Corsa. It was worth it. It's very nice. All right. So what this does, right? So the BV magnitude is like the ideal distance away. It's a magnitude. You gotta know magnitude. I can't really describe it besides it's a distance. Yeah, everyone did leave. It's just me and you. Get ready for some science. Okay. So if I'm like here and my computer's a foot in front of me, the magnitude might be 2 because it's like the square of 1 because the distance is 1. It's distance between two vectors. I don't know exactly how it works, but I'm pretty sure it's the square of the square of the square times each other, and I don't know. It's math. I don't care. But the smaller means it's closer, so we want the smaller one. So we want BV mag to either be the exact magnitude or 2000. Because 2000's huge. Like, that's across the map huge. 2000 studs away? Ew. No one wants that. So then here, what we can do, instead of best vector dot magnitude, we do BV mag. So if the vector is closer than the BV magnitude, boom. I hope you understand any of that. You probably have no idea. Most of you are probably not even in, like, math yet, but that's fine. Never gonna leave Danny Creeper stream. I love that. Smashy, what's up? Alright, so playtesting right now. It's so weird. I'm delayed, like, more than you people are. Anyway. So, hopefully it don't crash this time. Did that really not submit? Maybe it did. Alright, so let's see if it yells at us now. It probably will error. Yeah. Attempt to perform an arithmetic sub on vector and nil. Okay. Intense Googling. Yo, what? What? Hmm. Is it just... Or... Okay. What we're gonna... Okay, hold on. Okay. This is a little bit goofy. If best vector is not equal nil, then... yeah. This is probably not good practice, but I really don't care. How dare you not have a way I can donate money? I don't have it set up. Yeah, and YouTube takes a cut, and I don't know. I don't need money. Don't need your money. I got plenty of money. We can, right, if I turn on untrusted mode on CSGO, I can just gamble on CSGO. Okay? We'll turn the stream into that if you want. Oh, what's up, Noah M Plays? Is that supposed to be Noah M Plays? I'm not sure. I don't want to mispronounce your name, that's all. I got the cat here. I got the jet here. I got testing, science. Yeah, BX is back. Very happy. Yes, the cat is here. I don't have a cat. Whoa, why was someone timed out? think BX is just flexing his powers. No panda. You've just eliminated the panda. Okay, it's working now. I think. Very loud, better magnitude. The new magnitude. Oh no. Okay. This is why it's not okay. It's picking. It's pick. Yeah. What? Oh, I'm goofy. No, it was working correctly. I had printed out the wrong things. Okay. So, just to get everyone up to speed. Sorry, Panda guy, we can't untime you out, but we just wait it out. You'll be back. Okay. Jet, you're crimping my style right now. Simmer down. All right. Listen. Okay. So what we're doing? Look at this box in the top left. All right. Up to straight. What are you saying? Nah, cats are cool. Oh, the panda guy got timed out as a joke. But the unfortunate thing is we can't untime him out. Just because it doesn't exist, it's not a feature. I'm booking a flight right now. Don't steal your cat. No, she can fend for herself. Alright, so in the output here, right? This is wrong. What it's supposed to say? Old magnitude, 23. It's supposed to say the new one. So this would be 2000, this would be 23. 23 is much closer than 2000, obviously. 2000 meters versus 23 meters. So that's how that works. Not looks. Oh my god. So this very loud, right? This means if the audio volume is greater than 0.9, then it's very loud. If the vector mag is less than 20, it's very close, so we like that. Actually, I'm going to change this to 25. If the best vector... Actually, no, I like 20. 20 is like you can reach out and grab it distance. Lives in a dumpster. I do. Elbozo. If the magnitude is closer than the current best one we have, then we want to switch which place we're going to. And if we don't have a destination, then we're just going to set one. So there you go. That's the explanation there. So let's run it. So what we do is we let it run once and print out nil. Because that means it's cycled once, and we don't want to put one thing into the queue. Okay, so now the queue, we can start entering stuff into. Alright, and so now, if you missed my introduction earlier, these red cubes are showing exactly how I walk the path. So the light is where I went to, the dark is where I came from, and so you can see which order I went. And in the output here, it's printing out why it's picking the certain one. So it's picked another path, and it picked it based on its distance. It's very close. So from here, right, now it's got to decide, do we go to the loud one or the close one? And it picked neither? What? Why did it... It said it was very loud, that's why. What? Huh? it's the one, it's I know who you are, but I don't want to say your name because it's considered rude to some people, but morons are fun. I think they are fun. They're funny to laugh at. How about no, Mo? Because Mo is one of the Three Stooges, and he was actually a moron. So I don't want to give you that sort of title. You're better than one of the Three Stooges. You're more like Jet. Alright. Is my stream frozen? Oh, it's 40 seconds behind. That's why it's behind. Why was I timeout? Because you were bad. Alright. I think there's a problem with the loudness here. Or and okay. Huh. This is another problem right here. We want sound loudness to be a priority. Alright, so basically what I'm saying here is if you get a loud sound, right? Oh, you people aren't paying attention. I'll still say it anyway. In a list, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one thing, right? If it's loud, you want to hear it. Right? You want to go to it because it's loud. You want to say this one. Hi, Maddie. It's your name says Maddie, but hi. You want to go to the loud one initially because it's loud, obviously. But if you have already found the closest thing, we don't want just the loudness to override. So I think what we must do okay. Thank you. Thank you. We'll do override BV equals. So if it's already false, set the override. It's false, but if where do we? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. I know why it's being goofy. I am an idiot. We literally never reset this. So much goofiness comes out at once, right? So much goofiness. Okay. So, well, all right. I'm conflicted here. Okay, for myself later. How do we want to do sound? want it based on if we already best vector, or do we want it on loudness alone? Does loudness override proximity? You see, eventually what I would need to do, right, is I would need to do a system where the character decides if it should prioritize a thing or not, but not just based on this. Like, if a monster, right, it's ideally gonna go for loud noises. If a freaking wardrobe upstairs falls over, but you hear like a dish slip in the sink, obviously the player's at the loud noise. Or it could just be a trap in my game, cough cough. But you want the monster to get distracted. But if you hear a noise that's right in front of you, that's really quiet, but you're so close to it that it's really loud. So obviously the monster just needs to reach out and grab and strangle whoever's in front of you. So then we have to decide, how does that work? Because imagine, right? If it, let's say the game's multiplayer and the monster hears you because you're like a foot in front of its freaking face, yet your friend knocks over something upstairs. Do you really expect it to just take a U-turn and ignore the sound it heard an inch from its face and just turn around and go upstairs? No, you expect it to attack the thing that it just heard right in front of it. So we're gonna have to come back to this. So someone should remind me next stream to come back to this. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. How long has the stream been going? How do I check that? How do I check how long it's been going? Oh, almost an hour. Holy what? Why is my stream like... Oh, it's the chat is catching up. Okay, that's why it looks like everyone's chatting all of a sudden. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna do this. So, uh, here, what I am doing is, if our sound does not meet this requirement, it's always gonna not override it. Are you gonna go? Wow. Goodbye. Reason why we can do this is because if there's no vector, we're going to overwrite it. But if it's not close, there's literally no reason. How did you learn coding? Myself, over 5 years. The logic is what matters. The language doesn't. There's object-oriented, and then there's procedural. But the problem, right, when you're young to coding, or when you're just young, because I was young when I started learning, you need to understand resources. Yeah, one sec, Sharky. And the language itself. For example, I wanted to change the color of a block, but I literally just did not know how to do that. I want you, right, in the chat right now, in script, just your own little script language, like x equals whatever. Type out in the chat how you think you would change the color of a part. For example, I'll write it out in the chat right now what I used to do. I would assume script.parent, because that the parent of the script was the part, dot color equals red. This is how I used to think it would just be, but it's not. Are you bald? I'm not bald. But yeah, so in your own little scripting faux little fake language right now, in the chat, assuming script.parent, the parent of the script, you want to change the color. Do a little equation right now. It doesn't have to be right, but just like do something equals something. I just want to see how your brain works. And then I'll show you the actual way to do it. It's very simple. Oh, why is this screeching at me? Oh, because there's an and statement there. Okay. That's why. I'm not seeing much entries in the chat right now. It's a little depressing. Yeah, see? Although it would be script out parent and Lua because the script itself is its own entity. Although there's not much to change about a script, but I see where you're coming from. So boom, good effort. I give you a star. Oh, did it actually? Yes! It just picked the thing that's closest to it. Did you see? Do you see this? Alright, so I'm gonna show you the actual answer after this. After this testing. Look at this. Why did it pick that though? Very loud, better magnitude. So it had a better magnitude than that. Yeah, okay. Cool. Nice. Awesome. Alright. And now it's going here. Yeah, see? That's exactly how it should have done it. Because here, this was the next best place to go. And then this was the next best place to go. And then this was the next best place to go. And then the only option it had left was here. So let's do, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I fit it in time? 5. Okay, yeah. The reason why is I only have 10 seconds to do those entries. So look, so that you can see the order I did it, and let's watch the way it goes. You have haters in RP General? That's fine. Uh-oh. Oh, it's Skylar. Okay. So, yeah. Then it went there, because it made sense. Now it goes here because this is the better. It's closer. It's closer than going here. And now it will only have there. But what if I go back here? Which one will it pick? And I'll go there. Okay. So now. Oh. I don't understand. Is it thinking? What's the list? Let me look at the list here. Oh, it's only got the one entry. I might have bugged it out. Nope. Okay, so now it's going backwards. Because, see, this was closer than this. And then this is still in the queue, I think. Unless it's just done. Yeah, okay, maybe it's not in the queue. Skylar, he is silly goober. Oh, okay, alright. So, boom, that's done. Now, I'm gonna show you, okay? So, this noise script here actually makes parts. So back on the color changing, right? So, if we have a part, it's the part dot color. So in our case, it was script.parent, because I'll show you. If I make a new part here, let me go over here, model, part, boom. If I insert a script, insert object, script, okay. And so if I go show in Explorer, you see here how the script is literally the parent of the script is the part. So then what we do, and I'm gonna do while true do. So this is a loop. Task.wait. We're just gonna say wait a few seconds so it doesn't like kill the CPU. We're going to say script dot parent, because we're the parent, dot color equals. Now the color, let's go under the property here because we can actually see it. There's two. There's brick color and color. So brick color is this. You might have seen this before, either in games or whatever. This is the hex brick color grid. Each of these, right, is a special color. It's locked. Like the yellow to green, it's not a gradient. It's not RGB. And now each thing has a name. Medium green, new yellow, deep orange, gold, bright yellow. So if we want one of those, we do brick color equals brick color dot new, because this is a special object. It's not just text, it's a special object. So for the brick color dot new, we're gonna put smoky gray. That's what it already know. Let's do like brick color dot, we're gonna do random. This is a built-in function. So instead of putting it in the names, it's gonna get a random brick color. But then if we were to print the brick color to the output, it would always be like mint or really red, really black, because those are Roblox picked colors that have names applied to them. So let's run this, all right? Test, run, watch this. So every half a second it's going to switch colors. You see? But it's stuck to this list here. If I, yeah, you see, if I go like this and I half and half it, you'll be able to see that it's only picking colors from this hex. Now, color itself, like color, real color, is dot color. That's the property. Equals. Now, a brick color object, it's text, weird, whatever. But color has three components, either red, green, blue, or hue, saturation, value, or 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, which are lightness values. And so, they call it a color 3. It's same like vector 3 or vector 2. You might have heard those because vector position, 3 as in 3 coordinates. So, same thing with color. Color 3, which I would have never thought as a kid, because why? Why is it a color 3? It makes no sense. But we then say new. Now, this is evil, okay? Yeah, color 3 with the given red, blue, green values. So you know what you're going to do? You're going to go like 89, 23, 120, right? You see it's just white? You want to see what... This is not supposed to be white. The reason why is because this only accepts 0, right, to 1. It's weird. So you do 0.1, you 0.5, and then 0.32 whatever, and now you got this weird green. So that's the goofy. And then so they have other options. So they have from hex, which is a hexadecimal, which like if you do hashtag FFFFFFF or whatever, it's like white, but that's, we don't use that one because goofy. But then there's from HSV, so we can do 172, 117, 20. We get a red because it's hue, saturation, value. So what if we do 200, 1. Actually, let's do, actually I have no idea how to use that. Anyway, but then the one that matters, the one that everyone wants, is from RGB. And so The RP colors, if I remember correctly, are 139, 172, 0? No, wait, it's 0, 139, 7. Nope, that's 172. That's about the RP colors. Maybe a little bit brighter than that. But you see, that's how the RGB works. Cool. So now what we can do here is we can math.random. We can do 1, 255. Please run scripts. I hope it runs. Yep. Okay. So now it will randomly do RGB values. See, now if I pull up this hex thing again, it is not necessarily colors that are on the hex. Like we're getting deeper purples that we don't have and random blues. It's real RGB color. There you go. Now you know everything about color. And the reason why this is like script.parent.color and it's got properties is because it's an object. Hadi, my habibi! How you doing? I don't know any other, like, what is it? What language is that? Arabic? I don't know anymore. I don't know how to greet or anything. I'm good. I'm coding right now. You want to see my thing? I'm so proud to show you. Skylar has no subs on YouTube. What is he saying? I don't even know his channel. What the Fortnite am I hearing? I'm scared. Science. You know how to code. Should join the call. Anyway. Watch, my habibi, watch. Oh, no, I don't mean to run. I don't mean to run. I want to play a test. Play. Okay. So. Who is DMing me, man? Wait, what? Why is this, like, starting a server? I'm not starting a server. That's a bug and a half. Stop. Play. Okay. Okay, Hattie. Do not say anything obscene, okay? That banner. Thank you, Aber. Aber showed it to me, and then Kona made it.
Hello.
Hi. Don't say anything bad.
Okay.
See, it was okay. I'll screen share to you, Hattie. But okay. You better be proud of me. Look at this, okay?
I'm so proud. I'm scared of the door. Is that like knocking?
No, it's just triggering these, alright? So,
Ooh.
the dark red of the blocks is where I started, and the light red is where I went. So you can see the path I followed. Now, this monster has pathfinding, which finds it the closest thing that made noise. So even I went here, 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 and here. Yet the monster went here, and then here, and now it's going here, because this is the closest one. And then it's going to go to the other yellow. And the yellow ones are loud? Louder than the blue ones, I mean. That's Hattie, by the way. It's Hattie. So yeah, so then that's what this is doing. So now it's going to walk to this blue one, Hattie. You see that?
Yeah. I'm so proud.
You're
It's kind of
watching
slow. Like,
you're
is
watching
that how it's supposed
TikTok
to be?
right now.
Like,
Yeah,
the.
it's slow because the monster's not supposed to be super fast.
No, I know. Not the monster. I'm saying like the particles behind you. You see when you walk?
Particle. It's not particle.
Yeah, the green block right there.
Oh, that's his pathfinding. It's not mine.
Oh.
That one is just showing me where I went.
My god, the avatar is scary. I don't like it.
My avatar?
It's scary.
Anyway, but yeah, see, so it's just showing the path where I went. It's using pathfinding too, but not like his. It's like Pac-Man. He eats the little green dots. I like that. Anyway, yeah. So this he can do it by. I know you can't read code, Hattie, but if I show you, come up here. Well, not up here, but I mean, watch your screen, because I know you're on TikTok or something stupid.
I'm not. Sure, I got on
Okay,
that.
okay. So, if it's loud, it sets that it should override. If it's close, then it sets it should override. However, if it's closer than the already best thing that it has, then it's going to override that. Otherwise, it's not going to override. So, even if these are true, it wants to go to the closest one right now. And so that's how it does it. It only does it by how close it is right now. But I'll
Oh, so
eventually. Sorry, you go.
no, you go.
Okay. I'll eventually have to do it. Explain to the stream people that if there's a thing that's like an inch away from its face, right now, if it heard something really loud upstairs, it won't go, which makes sense. However, if the thing upstairs is closer than the thing to it, but the thing is right in front of its face and it's loud, it should go to that instead. So I have to balance loudness over proximity. Because if it just went to the closest thing all the time, you could be blowing up a nuclear bomb in your backyard, which is obviously very suspicious activity that I should probably check out. Yet it would never go there. So yeah,
Sussy.
I'm gonna have to decide on what to pick, or do something where it prefers a sound based on how much it likes it. I don't know. So look at this guy. He's drippy.
Man's dripping.
Yeah. Oh, this has particle effects on the chest? Yo, I
That's
swear
cool.
Roblox is just getting snazzy with everything. It's just like, oh yeah, give it particles.
Bro, your after actually scares the shit out of me. It's scary. Like the long body.
I know, Malvinius is cool. Yeah, this is my rig too. This is just an animation rig. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm ending the stream. Goodbye, stream.
Gent. Did you
Nah, I
already end?
have. Okay.